share the screen option or presentation option. So we have about 82 people currently with us for Adharshila Talks. This is the 13th Adharshila Talk, and I'm very happy to share with you that we started with this initiative during the lockdown, and it gives me a great pleasure to tell you that it made us realize, though the world is at a lockdown, but the inner potential and your creativity does not need any special opportunity. It can turn any situation into a great opportunity. So during this lockdown, our creativity has been unlocked and we came up with various new ideas. One of them was Adharshila Talks at RRIS. We recently also started with Adharshila Career Talks at RRIS, and we conduct talks by the deans and the professors of various Indian and foreign universities on Saturdays under the banner of Adharshila Career Talks. We had our last Saturday, we had our first career talk. Be prepared, mark your calendars for the next career talk with the University of California coming Saturday, that is 13th of June. And every Monday, block your calendars for 3 p.m. for Adharshila Talks, where you will be meeting speakers who can bring out the passion in you, who can inspire you as an educator. Amit sir, can we now please begin?
Yes, ma'am. The recording is on and we can start the session.
I would like you to display the introduction, please, on the screen for everyone's benefit. Ms. Jaspal Kaur needs to stop presenting. So, hello friends, namaste and good afternoon. Welcome to Adharshila Talks at RRIS. This is the 13th talk in the series. Let me take the pleasure of introducing today's eminent speaker, who also happens to be a member of our school management committee, the school management committee of Ramratna International School. Mr. Ramnath Iyer is a chartered accountant and a certified neuro-linguistic program practitioner. With the experience of interacting with over 1 lakh people over the past 30 years, CA Ramnath Iyer ji conceptualized Iyer's leadership program based on a unique RVA model comprising of relaxation, visualization, and affirmation. He has been conducting motivational seminars for a variety of audiences like corporates, industry leaders, and students. And as far as his personal traits go, I can tell you he is an amazingly jovial person. He has great stories to tell and is an excellent storyteller. He would convey his points in such hard-hitting ways that you will always remember the lessons that you learned from him. But the way he tells it is a very humorous style, very unique, that I have seen only in Mr. Iyerji. So, sir, we are honored to have such a person as a member of our school management committee who is constantly acting as our guide and mentor. Today is a great opportunity for us and for all those who have joined us from out of RRIS to be listening to you on a very crucial topic for all the educators, that is time and stress management. And both of them, to some extent, I feel are interrelated. So over to you, sir. Namaste, most welcome, sir. And the stage is all yours now.
Thank you, Madam Principal.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for such a great introduction.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'll start.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Actually, it is a privilege for me to address all the educators, teachers from different parts of the country. And let us see how it goes now.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Let me start directly. God has given us all 24 hours exactly. Whether it is me or Mukesh Ambani or Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi or Trump or Amitabh Bachchan, everybody has got exactly 24 hours. How we utilize those 24 hours will determine how successful, satisfied we are in our life. Even if today I waste my 24 hours, God will say, no problem. Tomorrow take again 24 hours. Whether we use it properly, invest it, waste it, but every day in the morning we are getting 24 hours to utilize in a proper way for our upliftment and for success and satisfaction. Normally, in one day of 24 hours, we use our time in four kind of activities. Normally we use in, I hope everybody can see the screen. Huh? Normally
No,
we
sir,
use,
not yet. No, sir, not yet.
not yet, 1 minute.
Sir, it will take a few moments
Okay,
to
okay,
start.
okay.
I think, and it will show up on your Google Hangouts as well that your presentation mode has started.
1 minute. I'll go back.
And Amit sir, it would be good if you can inform the participants on where should they pin, on which
Yeah,
icon
yes.
should they pin to see the screen.
Yeah.
It's by which
Yeah.
name?
So under, if you'll click under the people thing, you will see the Ayers as the speaker and another option. So I think you would have just seen sir's screen. I think it's on.
Is there?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, we can see your screen.
Yeah, 1 minute. Can everyone see the screen now?
I cannot see.
Sir, I can see the screen.
Yeah. What about others?
Yes, sir, we can see.
All right, na? Jai madam, can you see?
No, sir, I can't see.
Just ask others no in chat.
Yeah, others are able to see. Yes, sir, others are able to see, they are saying.
Okay. So shall I continue?
Yes, please continue.
Okay. So normally in a day of 24 hours, we spend our time in 4 different ways normally. One is personal, where we do some activity for our own personal growth and development. Like we go for a walk, or we go for gym, or we jog, or we do some reading, even if we watch TV alone. So some time in 24 hours we spend on our own, personal. Some time we spend with our family. फैमिली के साथ कोई पिक्चर देखने गया, फैमिली के साथ खाना खाया, फैमिली के साथ टीवी देखा, फैमिली के साथ इन दिस लॉकडाउन वी प्लेड लॉट ऑफ लूडो एंड स्नेक एंड लैडर. So we spend some time with the family. Of course, we spend for our career, for our meeting financial goals. पैसे के लिए अपन काम करते हैं. So most of our time goes in the career and financial. And fourth, of course, we also spend some time with friends and relatives maybe. Social may there may be some people who must have done some social work. They must have prepared some food and given to migrants. So normally in this day of 24 hours, other than sleeping, in the waking hours, we normally spend some time for personal work. Along with the family, we spend some time. We spend time for our career, and we also spend some time for the social. So this is a broad category of 24 hours minus the sleeping time, waking hours we spend. That is one aspect. When we spend our time, there is one more aspect, something called urgent and important. One more aspect. There are some work which is very, very urgent, has to be done, cannot be postponed. For example, mobile ka bill aa gaya, bharna hi hai aaj, last day hai. Or we have to pay the school fees. There are some timeline by which we have to follow, cannot be postponed. Yeah, suppose we are having fever, we have to go to the doctor. Somebody has got an accident, again we have to go to the doctor. There are some urgent work which we cannot postpone. Urgent means it is always immediate. And use the word urgent, it is always immediate. But when you talk about important, it is more from the long-term point of view. Long-term point of view. Most of the time, we always work under urgent and important work. करना ही है, cannot be postponed. आग लगी है, we are on the firefighting mode, and that's where we get stressed more. Many of the people also spend many time on non-urgent and non-important work. It is neither urgent nor important. For example, watching TV for a long period of time, on WhatsApp, arguing with someone whom we don't know. We are in different groups, unnecessary forwarding some messages which we don't ourselves follow but forwarding for others, assuming they will follow. These are all wasteful activities which is neither urgent and nor important. Actually, we should be doing more work which is not urgent but important. What are the activities which are not urgent but they are important? एक हो सकता है exercise. Doctor says we should exercise at least for 30-40 minutes per day. If at all possible, brisk walk for 20 minutes per day. At least for 5 days a week. देखो, it is not urgent. आज अगर अपन walking नहीं करें तो मरने नहीं वाला है. But in the long term, it is going to benefit us. It is not urgent. But definitely it is important from the long-term perspective. Or for example, let us say savings. Somebody has kept their
all the participants are request you to put yourselves on mute.
Yeah, on mute, please.
Mode, please. Mute yourselves, please. In the participants list, I can see that everyone is on mute except for Junior KG RRIS. Junior KG RRIS ID, I can see here. Please mute yourself. And if anyone knows whose is this Junior KG RRIS, kindly inform.
Shall I continue?
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. So secondly, savings. We don't save. And today's generation, after the call centers boom, they say, आज जी लेंगे, कल का क्या होगा देख लेंगे, save क्यों करने का है? To be really frank, in this lockdown, those people had good savings, were able to survive very well. And those who did not have savings, they are really struggling. Again, saving is a habit. Saving आज नहीं करेगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? मैं मरने नहीं वाला हूँ. But saving is a long-term phenomenon again. I'm running a business. And about 3-4 years back, I was paying my peons about 7,000 per month. And every month they will come and ask for advance. घर पे कोई बीमार है, घर पे शादी है, गाँव जाने का advance दो. So one day really asked them, अरे तुम 7,000 कमाते हो, तुम्हारा कोई savings नहीं क्या? So they told me, क्या sir, आप इतना पगार में क्या saving होएगा? You don't know the inflation rate, you don't know the price of कांदा and batata. आप क्या बात करते हो? Saving किससे होएगा? So I stopped arguing. Next year I gave them 8,500, 7,000, 8,500. Again the same story, sir. गाँव जाने का है, पैसा नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं. बोला यार 7,000 का इमेज 8,500. Still you don't have savings. क्या आपको मालूम है आलू का क्या भाव है, कांदा का क्या भाव है? You don't understand all this. How can we save? I realized not saving is a disease, and saving is a habit. So one day I called those 5 people, had 5 peons, and told them, okay, every month you save 300 rupees in the bank. Make an RD, recurring deposit, open with the bank, and every month you deposit 300 rupees bus. After 12 months, you show me the passbook. If you are having 12 multiplied by 300, 3,600 in the bank, you will get the interest from the bank, and I will also put 3,600. I will not give you per month 300. You save for 12 months, show me 3,600. I will also put 3,600. So you will get 7,200 plus interest. They were very happy. They started saving. After 1 year exactly, they came and showed me, sir, passbook dekho. I deposited 3,600 in each one of them's account. Now they are having 7,200. They asked me, sir, abhi kya karne ka? मैं बोला convert them to FD, FD में रख दो. For the first time in their life, they had a saving of 7,200 in the bank. Then they came to me and told me, sir, देखो, आप 300 ही देना, लेकिन हम 500 डालने वाले. चलेगा क्या? मैंने उसमें चलेगा क्या? तुम 500 डालो, मैं भी 500 डालेगा. But at the end of the year, and by that habit, now they are having a good amount in the bank in FD. The saving habit is created, which was not urgent for them at that moment, but which became important from my point of view, from their point of view. Of course, उसमें मेरा भी लालच था. I told them, if at all you leave me in between, then I will not be giving my share. You can take your share and go, but I will not be depositing my share. And accordingly, with that, I was able to save the peons with me for the last 5-6 years. So this is a sort of saving habit which I inculcated in the Pune's life. All these are not urgent, but very, very important. In our life, normally, what such things are important? Let us see. For example, in our timetable, you must have something called personal space. You can do exercise, yoga, meditation, reading from the self-development point of view, even reading from the career point of view also chalega. But all these are personal area where we have to focus, where we have to devote time, which we normally don't do. Second, we have to devote time for family. You can have a weekly outing. You can have vacations, school events. My children were studying in Bombay, Cambridge, Andheri East. And I have attended every annual day and sports day of their school till they graduated, till they completed their SSC exam. When I began my teaching career, I am a teacher, huh? And I was teaching in a coaching class from 5:45 in the morning. First lecture used to start at 5:45 a.m. and used to end at 9:30 p.m. और उसमें पैसे की बहुत जरूरत थी और मैं रखता था. And I was at that time newly married. So एक दिन मेरा wife बोला देखो ये चल नहीं रहा है. You're not giving attention to the family at all. So give some commitment for the family. And me and my wife sat together and we decided every Friday evening I will not take lecture beyond 6. I will come home, we'll go for a movie, and then we'll have dinner. But every Friday, that is what is called family time. And friends, for the last 26 years, unless there is a lockdown-like situation, we have been to a movie, to a theater every Friday. बच्चे लोग स्कूल में जाने चालू हो गए. They were having Saturday vacation, Saturday holiday. So बच्चों को भी मालूम पड़ गया कि अभी बाप आज घर पे है Friday को. So they started making arrangements because they knew I'll be available on Friday evenings. Come what may, I never sacrificed, never compromised on this family time of Friday evening. Sunday, if I get time, it is still bonus. But Friday evening was meant for the family. I was working in different coaching classes. Then I began my own coaching classes. But after Friday, 6 o'clock, I will not take the lecture anywhere. Similarly, we also decided that every year we should have 2 vacations, big vacations, about 12 to 15 days. Normally, our portion gets over in March. So in March and our first week of April, we used to go for a vacation. Similarly, Diwali, every coaching class is closed for 1 week. So 2 दिन ऊपर 2 दिन नीचे करके I used to take a vacation of 10-12 days. And that also we never sacrificed. For the last 26 years, we have been going 2 vacations, big vacations. छोटा मोटा लोनावाला भी तो चलेगा, but 2 big vacations every year. And that way, we have seen almost all of India, some places out of India also, because the family time was very much important for me. Of course, career is also very important from the long-term perspective, whether you are doing business or job. You need to have a lot of training, a lot of seminars. You have to give time for that. And at the end also, you have to give time for social work maybe or with the friends. Somebody has said, huh? You may be the richest man in the country. You may have a lot of money with you. But if at all you don't have a single friend with whom you can confide, you can share your happiness as well as sadness, then you are the poorest man on this earth. You need to have friends. Very much important. I give a lot of importance to friends. Huh? Some people ask me, sir, how to make friends? Very simple. If at all you want to make friends, be a friend. Be a good friend. There is a book, great book by Dale Carnegie, How to Win Friends and Influence People. That really changed my life. Huh? Really, it was a transformation for me after reading the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. It shows how to be a good friend and how to make friends. To be more frank, normally we are stressed out in the family. Normally we get stressed in the career. It is only with the friends we normally laugh, where we unwind. Normally we are our original self, where we can be sure that we will not be judged by anyone. हम फैमिली में हार्डली हंसते हैं, करियर में भी हार्डली हंसते हैं. हंसने का काम नॉर्मली फ्रेंड्स के साथ होता है. So normally you need to have friends, good friends, who can make you laugh, who can crack jokes, you can crack jokes, and who doesn't judge you in any manner. So when we allot our time, when you make a timetable, I request all of you to make a timetable only for 3 months. That is about 7 weeks, about 12 weeks. Timetable should not be per day. एक दिन में चारों बिठाना बहुत मुश्किल है. एक दिन में personal also, family also, career also, social. That is just not important. Stephen Covey says you must have what is called a weekly planner. All those priorities can be fitted easily in that weekly planning. So I make a planning of weekly planner like this. For example, I write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday morning time. I divide this weekly plan into 2 hour slot, 6:30 to 8:30, 8 to 10:30, 10 to 12:30, 12 to 2:30. I make different slots. So morning 5 days in a week, 6:30 to 8:30 is my time. I do some yoga, do pranayam, go for walking also, play some badminton. ये मेरा 5 दिन का कोटा है ही. टाइम मिलेगा तो सैटरडे भी जाता हूँ, बट टाइम टेबल लिखता नहीं हूँ. इट विल बी बोनस. I tell you, not necessarily in the morning. If at all your working hours are in the morning, then you can take out in the evening also. That is your time. Doctor says 20 minutes per day, at least for 4 to 5 days. Brisk walk or any kind of walk according to your comfort is enough for you, but we don't do it. क्योंकि एक ही अपने पास एक्सक्यूज है, टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास. So 5 days in a week I allot for myself. Friday evening still is my family time. Sunday evening is my family time. It is bonus, but Friday is compulsory. Sunday मिलेगा तो. Saturday evening is always with my friends. I use like this, friends. Sunday morning is also friends. We in the society, we meet, we talk, we play, we joke. Sunday morning also same. I am a part of a social organization, so I go there. Sunday morning I meet my friends. This is the place which I never sacrifice, very enjoyable, and this is where I laugh. और बाकी का जो टाइम बचाना, this I allot for my career. Remaining time is for my career. What we are discussing is actually not called time management. It is more on life management. In our life, we have to set all the priorities. One thing I'll tell you, if at all you don't set a timetable like this, if at all you don't set a timetable like this, then the entire time goes for money making and in financial. The entire time goes for career, promotions, job, business. एक्सेस क्यों नहीं करता है? अरे टाइम किसके पास है? फैमिली को आउटिंग क्यों लगी? अरे टाइम किसके पास है यार? व्हाट अबाउट फ्रेंड्स? अरे टाइम किसके पास है? वन ऑफ माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, very rich, running a coaching class. About 2 years back, his father expired. Hardly 10 people came for the father's funeral. Not even the neighbors came, because the neighbors also don't know him. That kind of friendship was not good according to me. I always feel friends are your first relative, neighbors are your first relative. अगर सिर्फ अपने घर पे कुछ हो गया तो पहला भी call the neighbors, और बाद में चाचा मामा सब बाद में आएंगे. First of all, you will always be calling the neighbors. So you must have excellent rapport and relationship with the neighbors. And for that, you have to give time. And if at all we don't devote time, and we give time only for career, then we'll be having no friends, no personal growth, health will be bad. And family, I know, some families, they don't even take vacations, they don't have regular outings. हम सुबह निकलते तो बच्चे सोया रहता है, हम शाम को आते तो बच्चा सोया रहता है, और एक दिन अपने पास टाइम रहता है तो बच्चे का पास टाइम नहीं रहता है, because we did not devote time to him. So even for the proper growth of the children also, we have to give them time. And life management is what we are discussing at this moment, even though I have given the name as a time management. Within the office, whether we are in the business or whether we are doing a job. The moment I enter the office, I select 6 jobs we have to do. I write down 6 work from the master list. उस दिन 6 काम क्या करने का? And then I prioritize. First one, second one, third one कौन सा, चौथा कौन सा करने का? These are the 6 most important job for that day for me. And when I allot the timings, I also go from simple to difficult. Suppose one work will take only 20 minutes and second will take 2 hours. So I complete that 20 minutes job first. So once I complete 3-4 jobs which are of lower time, so I find very comfortable. मन को अच्छा लगता है, चारों 4 काम तो हो गया मेरा. So when I take the difficult job, it becomes more easy because I'm in a very relaxed frame of mind. So every day I select some 6 work from the master list. और उसमें से I try to complete. Suppose I am not able to complete one work, then it goes to the next day in the 6th list, and that is how I can complete. I am able to complete what is called the work in the job workplace, also in the business also. So in the weekly timetable, I allot my personal space. I have time for my family. I have time for my friends. Also, I have time for my work. एक जमाना ऐसा था, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, कि फैमिली वॉज अ प्रायोरिटी, और फैमिली के लिए अपन कुछ काम धंधा करते थे, पैसा कमाते थे. बट आज जरा उल्टा हो गया है. बिजनेस एंड जॉब हैज बिकम प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1, एंड भी टेबल फैमिली में जरा एडजस्ट कर लो यार, बहुत स्ट्रेस है काम धंधे में, टाइम निकालना मुश्किल पड़ रहा है. प्लीज वी आस्क द फैमिली मेंबर्स टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज, टू एडजस्ट. और ऐसा निकलते निकलते 10, 15, 20 साल कहाँ गया समझता भी नहीं है. And one day when we have time, we don't have strength to move about, to roam about, take vacations, to enjoy with the kids. They don't have time. So it is better that we have time for all the 4 activities. I request every one of you, please. I request everyone. You can take a screenshot of this. I'm just give you 30 seconds. You can take a screenshot of this. Please take a screenshot. Thank you.
Sir, I'm sorry, we cannot see the
You
screen.
can't see the screen now?
Ma'am,
No, sir.
presentation mode is on. If you can just go to the people's list, you'll be able to see the years, and it will show 2 modes, where one is sir's video mode and one is sir's presentation mode. So you can just pin the presentation mode that sir has.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will check.
Yeah.
Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Let her take the screen. I will just wait for 30 more seconds.
No, sir, it's all right. Anyway, while you were speaking, people were able to take a print screen, so
Okay,
or a
okay.
screenshot. That doesn't need extra time.
Okay.
So
I'll
under
continue.
people, there are 2 icons of IERs. 2 icons of IERs under people list, and one icon is for sir's video, where you can see sir speaking. The other is for sir's presentation. So please double click on the presentation one under people IERs. I hope everybody has got it now. Yes, sir, please go ahead.
Continue? Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir, please. Thank you.
A professor entered a class, and in front of the students, he had a jar, a transparent glass jar, and he put full of sand inside the jar. So the jar was totally full up to the brim, no space to put anything else inside. And they took out 4 marbles, medium sized marbles, and he asked the students to put it inside the jar. The students tried, and they tried to press the marbles inside, but it was not going because it was full of sand. So the professor said, ask them, can we put the marbles inside? The students said, not possible. So what the professor did, he said, I will show you how to do it. Then he brought a vessel, दूसरा बर्तन लाया, and he emptied the entire sand inside the vessel, and he took the 4 marbles. He put the first marble inside, second marble inside, third marble inside, and 4th marble inside. And then he emptied the vessel again back to the jar full of sand. sand is very soft, you know. It gets easily adjusted inside the jar. थोड़ा jar को हिलाया उसने. So not a single sand was wasted. Everything was totally fit inside the jar. The student asked, what is the purpose of this experiment? The professor told them, in life, first of all, you have to set your first 4 priorities. When you make the timetable, you make the first 4 priorities. Set your personal time, set your family time, set your friends and social work time, set your career time. और इसके बाद जो भी बचेगा ना, all these sands are कचराs in your life, that wastage in your life. But once you set those 4 priorities in your life, then even if you want, you can watch TV, you can play in WhatsApp, but never at the expense of the early morning routine of exercise, or maybe late evening, or Friday evening time, or Sunday evening time, or Saturday evening or Sunday morning time, और धंधे के समय ये सब करना नहीं है. Set your priorities first, and whatever times remains, you can do whatever you want for those non-urgent and not important work. But these are the 4 non-urgent but very important aspect of your life, for which unless you give time for it, you will never get time for it. याद रखना, ये सब काम करने लगा टाइम कभी मिलता नहीं है. ये सब के लिए टाइम निकालना पड़ता है. We have to take out time for them. I just request everyone, please everyone at your place, close your eyes for just 2 minutes. I just request everyone to close your eyes for just 2 minutes and relax. Just focus on your breathing, you are relaxed. Just focus on your breathing and relax. Now imagine there is you became sick and doctor told you can live only for next 24 hours. 24 hours में you are going to die. You are having only 24 hours. अभी 350, 340 हुए है. Doctor said tomorrow 340 you will be out now. Now just imagine the next 24 hours, how you will be spending. You are having exactly 24 hours with you. Just imagine mentally how you are going to spend your time. Just imagine, just imagine. Okay, time is up. Jaya madam, can you see the chat of many people, what they are saying?
Yes, sir. So I think now they would be writing. If you could repeat the question, I'm sure they all have closed their eyes and they've thought about.
Yeah.
And Vandana writes with
please open your eyes. Yeah, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just write down where you will be in the next 24 hours.
So we have already started receiving the responses. So Vandana says with our loved ones. Akshata says spend time with family, with loved ones. Maya, Mangesh, Priyanka, I think almost everybody is saying that we would like to spend it with my family, talking, reflecting, family, friends, loved ones, with family. So it's mostly family.
Yeah. Anybody has written in the workplace, job, career?
I would also like to add what came to my mind.
Yeah.
I thought about it very seriously, and I also thought of family and people. I strongly felt that I won't be able to speak to everybody who mattered to me in my life, but I would be writing a gratitude letter, a single letter, just acknowledging how everybody contributed to making my life, what it was, all friends and family and everybody. So in gratitude, also maybe worrying about my daughter's future. And how everybody would, be
with the loved ones.
Family, with the family and loved ones, right?
My question is, has anybody written that I'll be working, I'll be in a job, I'll be earning money,
No one. And in fact, Mr. Pradyut writes, I would like to spend the time in doing what I didn't try earlier.
Yeah, exactly. When I use the word 24 hours, suddenly our priorities change. Suddenly.
Yes.
But remember, the time in this earth is also limited, huh? We
And
are having
also,
limited
in fact,
time.
yes,
Yeah.
sir. And in fact, it is 24 hours only, multiples of 24 hours.
Yeah, exactly. So unless we give time for all the four aspects,
Yes.
all the four priorities in our life, suddenly we'll find that हम इतना दूर चले गए पैसे के पीछे 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 कि बाकी सब जिंदगी में रह गया. Suddenly one fine day we fall sick and we have no family with us, no health with us, no friends with us, and we are left alone.
Right.
Uh, Suppose you are juggling with four balls, a very great example, I think given by Indra Nui, I think. Yeah, she has
Yes.
given this example with her employees.
Yes.
Every day you are juggling with four balls. You are having four balls with you, and each ball you are juggling. I think you know juggling. एक ऊपर गया, दूसरा नीचे, दूसरा ऊपर गया, नीचे. You are having juggling with all the four balls, and one ball up,
Trying
another down, like that. Only
trying to
difference
keep
is
every ball afloat.
afloat all the time.
Yes.
One ball is the personal ball, second is our family, third is the career ball, and the fourth is our friends and social work. And the most important thing is, ये जो career वाला ball, it is made of rubber, and the other three are made of glass. If at all the other three balls fall down, they will break. और वो जोड़ने में बहुत time जाएगा. Whether it is personal health or in any family relationship or even friendly relationship, whenever they break, very difficult to join again. The trust factor is lost. Whereas career वाला ball है, वो नीचे गिरेगा तो चलेगा, दूसरा job मिल जाएगा, दूसरा धंधा चालू हो जाएगा. So this is, you have to be very careful with your personal, family, and social and friendly part of your life. It is, you have to be very careful how you deal with them. Whereas the career part of it, even if it goes out, you can always find another job, another business, another thing to do. But the remaining three, we have to be extremely careful. So here is what I call, what is called time management. I'll stop sharing for the time being. One minute. Huh? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
hear
We
you.
can hear you.
I just want to. Yeah. Okay. So these are the most important part for which we have to be careful. और ये सब कल करेगा परसों करेगा नहीं होता है. इस संडे बैठ जाने का और वीकली टाइम टेबल बना रहेगा. I tell you, guarantee you make for 12 weeks, 30 months. Then it becomes a habit. It becomes a habit. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि any good habit to be created, it requires about 21 days. So if at all you are able to follow this for 21 days, I use the word come what may. Come what may का मतलब रात को 2 बजे भी सोएगा तो भी सुबह 6:30 को मैं उठता ही हूँ. And I have to do that yoga and pranayama. I do more on pranayama and some stretching exercise. And then I go down, do a lot of walking and badminton. So physically, I am very flexible. ऐसा मेरे को लगता है. And last part on time management, I will tell you, my son was after getting up was wasting a lot of time. तो एक दिन मैं उसको बोला, देख बेटा ये बराबर नहीं चल रहा है, यू आर वेस्टिंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. मैं कहा बोलता हूँ 7 दिन करेगा क्या, अभी बेटा है तो उसको करना पड़ेगा. तो let's tell me dad what I should do. तो बोला, the moment you wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, चलो I'll give you one snooze. So 9 minutes का एक snooze ले लो, चलेगा, no problem. Yeah. You take a snooze of 9 minutes, लेकिन 9 minutes में उठना ही चाहिए. तो बोला ठीक है चल, no problem. Even I don't prefer that when the alarm goes, you should get up fast, huh? Because you are in a different world. You are in a dreaming world. You are in a, what is called right brain activity. And suddenly from there, you come down, take a snooze of some minutes, and then slowly get up. Better for you. So what I told him, ki after first snooze, 6:09, you get up. And within 9 minutes, I'm giving you, you have to get up at 6:09, take 2 glasses of water, go to the washroom, go to toilet, and then brush, and then come out within 9 minutes. So बोला इसमें क्या है, तो बहुत easy है. So he got up at 6:09 and he drank 2 glasses of water, went to the bathroom, toilet, and then brushing. When he came out, it was 12 minutes. तो बोला अरे डैड उसमें क्या 9 का 12 मिनट हो गए. नहीं बोला 9 minutes में 9 minutes, you have to follow that. For 3 days he was about between 10 and 12 minutes. But 4th day he came exactly at 9 minutes. And then 5th day onwards he was able to better that. 8 minutes में आने चालू हो गया. But after 7 days, he asked me, Dad, what is the use of this? ये क्यों करवा रहे हो आप? 9 मिनट हो या 12 मिनट हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? टॉयलेट और ब्रश ही तो है. Well, it is not toilet and brush. You must be aware of your watch. You must be aware of your time. तुम्हारे दिमाग में घूमते रहना चाहिए कि मेरे पास टाइम 9 मिनट ही है और 9 मिनट में मेरे को काम खत्म करना है, मिस खत्म करना है. एंड फिर उसमें से एक सीखा कि देखो जिंदगी में कुछ भी करने का रहेगा. You allot a time, 20 minutes to 20 minutes, 1 hour to 1 hour, 2 hours to 2 hours. I'm from a coaching class. So when I make my timetable, it takes 2 hours. But when I make some notes, it takes some 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So I allot time according to the requirement. So उस समय में होना ही चाहिए. The negative part is, if at all you don't allot a time for your work, the time expands. 2 घंटे का 4 घंटा होता है. Suddenly करते करते बीच में WhatsApp देखने का मूड आता है. And you waste your time because you are not allotted time. You are not aware of your time. So once you become aware of your time, time management becomes very easy. और ये जो टाइम टेबल मैंने बोला वो भी 9 मिनट में करके दिखाना. एवरी संडे टाइम निकालो, बैठ जाओ, सिट योर हस्बैंड और वाइफ और बोला हाउ कैन वी प्लान. हमने फ्राइडे मेरे लिए रखा, यू कैन हैव एनी डे फॉर यू, बट द एंटायर फैमिली शुड नो दैट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम यू आर एब्सोल्युटली फ्री व्हाटएवर मे बी द इमरजेंसी. अच्छा, मेरे जिंदगी में इमरजेंसी नहीं है ऐसा नहीं है. समटाइम्स फ्राइडे किसी न किसी का डेथ होता है, टू गो फॉर द फ्यूनरल. इन दैट केस सैटरडे बिकम्स आवर मे प्रायोरिटी. तो सैटरडे सब कैंसिल करता हूँ. सैटरडे 6 to 9 इसमें प्रायोरिटी. कोई भी पिक्चर जाके देखता था, थिएटर में जाके बैठता था एंड यूज्ड टू एंजॉय विथ माय फैमिली एट दैट टाइम. हियर आई एम गिविंग अ स्टॉप. What is called time management. Actually, it is life management. So if at all you have got any query, I'm giving you 1 minute before I go to the stress management. It is not a strict regime, madam. It is only for a matter of 9 minutes. No, we give him time. We give him time for other activities also. Definitely, our children should definitely play.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yeah.
Sir, what if it hinders the quality of the work? If the person wants to finish the work in 9 minutes just to stick to regime, what if it affects the quality of the work?
Yeah. Thank you, madam. 9 minutes. If at all you feel 9 minutes only for that morning work, not every work can be for 9 minutes. Different work has got different time schedule. 9 minutes I given only because he was taking some 30 minutes, 25 minutes. कुछ बच्चे लोग घर पे अंदर आके सो जाते हैं. So to reduce that, you should be aware of the time. Suppose you find that your child will be normal with about 12 minutes, give him 12 minutes. But make him aware, देख बेटा तेरे पास इतना ही time है. And ultimately it is habit. I'm telling you, आजकल के बच्चे लोग, I'm telling you, madam, they take mobile and Wi-Fi inside. और बाद में उनको बाहर आने का मूड ही नहीं रहता है. So ये सब wrong habits है, bad habits है. To inculcate good habits, we have to tell them देख काम है, 9 मिनट तक तो आना ही है तो आना ही है. It's a matter of habit. They will do it. But other work, some जो studies है, we have to give them according to the requirements of that time. We are all appeared for many exams. हम लोग सब स्कूल में गए, एग्जाम बैठे, 10th, 12th, I am CA also. Initially, one chapter you should take about 5 days. But on the day of the exam, when I know I cannot go beyond tomorrow, अभी मेरे पास टाइम बहुत कम है, अभी एक दिन में मेरे पढ़ के निकालने का ही है, 3-4 घंटा भी सो के हम पढ़ते हैं और पूरा का पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ के निकालते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज अपने दिमाग में बैठ गया कि अभी कल के बाद मेरे पास पढ़ने टाइम नहीं है. वंस यू पुट टाइम प्रेशर ऑन योर सेल्फ, ऑन योर माइंड, ऑन योर बॉडी, यू विल गेट अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. Anybody else? I hope you are happy, Anjana.
Yes, sir. Anjana has responded. Thank you, sir, for clarification. and people have got different responses. Dr. Smita says differs with situation and person to person.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
I have written that we should make them at least do this because it will make them more mindful and conscious.
Yeah.
And I also feel that with time, the habit can be developed. Ms. Akshita says how to inculcate these values to small kids. And I have just put my thought here with repetition and consistency, and most importantly, role modeling. We cannot just keep telling children and we behave completely opposite. So, yes, sir, if you would like to add to that, please do that, sir.
Exactly. Normally, we underestimate the children. Children are the easiest to inculcate a habit. Since we are talking about children, one small example only I will give you. Any habit you want to create in the child, say below 10 or 12 years, when he is fast asleep in the night. When I use the word fast asleep means after sleeping at least 1 hour must have been passed. When he has gone to a different world, when he is in a deep slumber, at that time you should go to his ear and tell him, suppose his name is Adarsh, and suppose a simple habit like समझो दूध नहीं पीता, समझो ना, कुछ माँ का कंप्लेंट है कि मेरा बेटा दूध नहीं पीता है, उसे कान में आके बोलेगा बेटा कल तो दूध पिएगा. माँ होना चाहिए, पिताजी का आवाज जो ज्यादा सुनते नहीं है, ये माँ ही होना चाहिए. बेटा आज तो दूध पिएगा, या कल तो दूध पिएगा बेटा, बेटा तो दूध पिएगा, बेटा दूध पिएगा, आदर्श तू कल दूध पिएगा, आदर्श तो दूध पिएगा बेटा, बेटा तू दूध पिएगा बेटा. I said 5 minutes, sir, keep your watch and do it for 5 minutes. वो हिलेगा, he will be थोड़ा थोड़ा पैर हाथ पर हिलाएगा. इसका मतलब है कि उसका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज लिसनिंग टू योर टॉक, लिसनिंग टू योर एडवाइस, और अगले दिन वो दूध मांगेगा. ट्राई करो ना, ट्राई करके देखो. एक रात में नहीं हो, 2 रात करो, 3 रात करो. किड्स इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी फास्ट. समटाइम्स वी कंप्लेन, मेरा बेटा खाना ही नहीं खाता है, एप्पल नहीं खाता है, भिंडी नहीं खाता है, ये नहीं खाता, वो नहीं खाता है. घर पे झगड़ा चलते रहता है, माँ एक तरफ बेटा दूसरी तरफ. डू दिस सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. सोने के बाद पूछना नहीं कि बेटा सो गया क्या, ऐसा मत पूछना. 1-1.5 घंटे के बाद जाना उसके रूम में, उसके कान में रख के प्यार से बेटा बुला के, whatever you want to him to do it, करके देखो. Try it. Don't do with adults, huh? Don't do with adults.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Miss Sharda says that my Hindi is weak. So maybe we can summarize it for her in English. Just in short,
definitely.
This last point.
Especially the example, because I mean, from the responses, I find that it should be very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you for expressing yourself, Miss Sharda ji.
The question was how to change the habit of a child. Very simple. Don't fight with them. When they go to sleep at night, after they have gone to sleep about 1 to 1.5 hours, when you really feel that they are in deep slumber, you go to them, talk into their ear, and tell them in your language, mother tongue, okay, beta, tomorrow you will take milk, tomorrow you will drink milk. Milk is very good for health. You will definitely drink milk. If at all he is not drinking, definitely you will drink 10 bar bolo 10 times, 15 times, but say it for 5 minutes minimum. ऐसा नहीं कि don't say for 4 or 5 times and then बोर हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You are going to change the life of the child. So give that 5 minutes to him. He will be moving his body here and there. Then you should understand that his subconscious mind is listening to you, and then you will find magic the next day. Magic. Whether it is chiku eating or apple eating, but don't give any negative suggestions. Don't say don't use the word don't eat chiku or don't drink milk. No, give a substitute. Don't go out to play something. Don't use the word don't, because the children psychology they don't understand the word don't. Many times the mother tells the child don't make silly mistakes in the examination, but he doesn't listen the word don't, and he gets the message go and do silly mistakes in the examination. And after the exam, we tell him, "Arey, kya you made silly mistakes? Bola thala mat kar karke." So, child, when you talk to him, never use the word don't. Use always some positive affirmations.
Yes, sir. So I would like to read a question by Mr. Pradyut. what about those children who don't listen to their parents at all, and their parents seek help from neighbors as they can't hit or scold nowadays? So
Try करके देखो ना. Then let them try this method. No, let them try this method.
right.
There are some students who are super hyper. This magic doesn't mean it will be happening in one day. It is not a miracle.
Yes, it's all
But
about
there-
repetition,
Repeating.
and
There is no
consistent.
loss in trying. No loss in trying.
Yes, sir.
I did myself with my child. He was not eating chiku. So I have to tell him, kal chiku खाएगा, kal chiku खाएगा, beta kal chiku खाएगा. In the mother's voice means actually mother was speaking. Huh? Next day, first thing, yeah, mama chiku de. That's the most important point. They're a hyper
And,
student. Don't use the word. One thing I want to clarify here also, when a student is not listening means he is having a lot of energy. That energy has to be diverted in some way on some other place. देखो बच्चा है, वो सोफे में कूदेगा, he will jump on the sofa, he will watch TV, and in the lockdown you tell him don't go out also, बेचारा वो करेगा क्या घर पे बैठ के? And you won't play with him snakes and ladder, you won't play with him Ludo, you won't play with him Carom, and just for escape we give him a mobile, and mobile mein he starts playing PUBG and Candy Crush. All these are very bad and sad also. So we have to engage with him in some better way, give him some riddles, and we have to play with him. हमसे नहीं खेलेगा तो फिर किसके साथ खेलेगा वो?
So I would also like to add something here, that it is not necessary that everybody will have the same likings and the same dislikings.
Yeah.
So our job is first of all to expose them to everything, because Ms. Shilpa here is saying that I have done this with many times with my child, and after repetition he does it for 2-3 days and then comes back to his own habit. So I feel somewhere the purpose is not just to completely mold your child as per your wishes.
Yeah. To his own self.
Yes. So first of all, just exposing to him to various things, and finally they will have their own likes and dislikes, and we should appreciate and respect that.
Absolutely.
So there is a comment by Miss Nisha. She says that my daughter is afraid of cycling. So I feel, sir, आपने इस तरह का एक माहौल create कर दिया है. You have created such an atmosphere that people are treating you as a life coach rather than stress and time management session. So she has simply expressed this to you. She's afraid of cycling. So I think she is expecting some guidance from you.
Yeah.
If you can do that, please, sir.
Again, every child for growth has its. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
Can you all hear me, please?
I can hear you. Everybody can hear you.
Every child has got its own timeline when to learn anything. So we just have to leave it on them. If at all we force them, they may start hating it. Someday, some friend will tell him, "Arey chal cycle chalate hain yaar." So he will start learning cycle. So leave it to him. Don't stress on that.
Okay.
Why not to stress? मैं stress management में आ रहा हूँ बाद में. But let the child grow on its own, in its own timeline. Many years back, when my child was 4 years old, even I was very adamant that he should learn swimming. So one swimming pool, I went and gave it to the coach. कि बेटे को जा swimming सिखाओ. And what the coach did, he just took my child and directly threw him in the water. इतना उसके मन में डर बैठ गया. He was so fearful of water. But the moment he started having an age of about 11, 12, 13, he immediately overcame that fear, and he can swim now very well. So we have to give the timeline, We have to be patient.
Yes, sir. Right. Every seed does not germinate at the same time. It just works.
Timeline, no?
So Miss Jayashree is asking, will it work for children who do not like studying?
So try it. No, even studying, if studying to make it interesting, it is our job. To be very frank, study has to be fun. Study has to be pleasurable. But somehow we have made it, the entire community, environment, I will say even including the government, we have made it so boring, so dull. In one of the children's day, Modi had told that we should celebrate the children's exam. When they go for the exam, celebrate karo, peda bato, because he is going to the next step. But we always send him with a lot of tension. Beta sambhal ke likhna, don't make mistakes. As if it is the last journey of his life. It is we create tension, So, or as a bachche ko, we have to make it very interesting.
So
Use
there are
colours.
some fun comments also. Yes, sir. So I think you are responding to, you are saying something which will be applicable for the question by Ms. Akshita. How can we have stress-free or fun environment for kids at home And Miss Rakhi from Help Teachers writes, who likes to study? So, and
Use
yes,
colors. Use of colors I found very interesting.
right,
Use of
sir.
drawing also. There is something called mind mapping, you know.
Yes,
In
sir.
mind mapping, uh, you take a drawing board, and drawing board you make a drawing. Suppose you make a drawing, I will just explain. At the center, you make a round and write the question. Just make a round and write a question. And you put many arrows. And for each arrow, it is one answer, second answer, third answer, four answer for the same question. It is called mapping. And you can do it colorfully. And for different questions, you can use different colors. It is very easy to, what we are teaching is linear teaching. We move from left to right. कि लेफ्ट टू राइट पढ़ो फिर वापस लेफ्ट टू राइट पढ़ो फिर वापस लेफ्ट टू राइट पढ़ो इट इज रियली बोरिंग एंड इट मेक्स द ब्रेन वेरी डल ब्रेन ही बोलता है क्या ये पढ़ते बैठे है इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू मे गिव हिम ड्राइंग use a drawing paper and for history geography science ask him to draw not the actual put the small circle with the question and make different arrows or ask him to make a BST bus and BST के बस में बीच के खिड़की में क्वेश्चन and बाकी हर एक खिड़की में एक आंसर लिखने बोलो or you can ask him to make a drawing of a park with one answer in a slide, second answer in Jula, third answer in somewhere else. You have to make it very interesting, different. Yeah, make him ask him to. He must be going to a theater also maybe. So theater में एक आजकल तो we are having multi-screen. एक screen में एक answer. The moment you make it very interesting, drawing is very easy. So a very simple example. When I ask a child, where is Gujarat? He is able to give the answer very fast. Gujarat is in north of Maharashtra. Very fast he is able to give. Why? Because he has seen the drawing of India map. But suppose I told him Gujarat is in the north of Maharashtra and west of Madhya Pradesh and etc. He would have forgotten. So again, we have to make it very creative, Use map. अगर child को linear नहीं जमता है, map में बिठाओ. And the child, I will be very frank with you, if he's not enjoying normal studies, he may be good in drawing. So let him draw, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Mapping हो सकता है.
Right, sir. So,
अभी ये topic सब अलग ही हो गया लेकिन.
yes, sir. Concept maps, mind maps, use of art and creativity. Also, the various ways of learning. It need not always be the pen and paper thing or learning or memorizing. So, I think creativity is the answer to such things.
Yes.
Then, sir, there's a question by Miss Sharda. Before that, Miss Asha asks, how to motivate senior students? And Miss Sharda asks, it's parental tension that gets to the children. Parents need support. Parents need support than the children. I agree. So how
this, for this, I will go to the next topic and from there I will come there. First of all, we made this timetable for a week. उतना भी कर लिया ना तो आधा तुम अपना tension or stress will be reduced. Even if at all we do that weekly timetable, friends are a great stress buster. Family is also a great stress buster. But more than family, I will say friends are the great stress buster. Morning walk is a great stress buster. Normally, we get a lot of stress, mainly in family as well as in the workplace. So stress buster we must have. One thing I would like to tell you that one negative event does not mean we are failure in life. One negative event, कभी कुछ बीमार हो गया, धंधे में लॉस हो गया, या नौकरी चला गया, या मेरे बेटा को 60% ही आया. You have to inculcate in your child that one negative event does not mean you are a failure in life. You are never a failure in life. The match is never lost till the last ball is bowled. अभी मेरे जिंदगी में मेरा इंटरवल भी शायद नहीं आएगा, मालूम नहीं. But I'm still breathing. Until I'm breathing, I'm successful. Success is a failure. I should judge only when I take my last journey. Till that time, I always use the word, it is okay. It is okay. You see, I went to buy a fridge. And when I went to buy the fridge, along with the fridge, he delivered and then he gave me a brochure. And along with the brochure, it was giving me all instructions, how to start the fridge and what are the use of freezer or kya karne ka, and where you should keep the fruit and how it should be on. It was giving me all the normal manual. And immediately after 1 week, my first child was born. The moment I saw the first child was born, the nurse gave the child in my hand. जैसा वो कपड़े में बांध के दिया, तो I asked the child, where is the brochure? तो nurse बोला, what brochure you want? Then how to make this child grow up, how to make him a topper, how to make him an excellent in everything. तो nurse बोला ऐसा कोई brochure होता नहीं है, nothing of that sort. So then we apply our own funda and we make our own judgment. What is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad, and we grow up the child. Remember, friends, God has not given us any guarantee. I will be always a topper in SSC, I will always be a topper in SHC, I will always be a topper in TY, I will always be a topper in CA, and I will get the maximum salary in my first job, I will get the best, I'll make the maximum profits in my first business, I'll become the next Mukesh Ambani. ऐसा कोई guarantee दिया नहीं. So in some work I succeed and some work I don't succeed. And remember, सब बच्चे एक बार I had taken one seminar in Arya Vidya Mandir at Santa Cruz, and parents meeting, and I asked one question to all the parents: how many of you, it is all SSC students' parents. So I asked one question: how many of you want 95% for your child? Everybody raised their hand. Second question: out of you all, how many got 95% in your SSC? Hardly 2 hands were raised. All the other hands had got down. So even though we want 95%, but everybody cannot get 95%. No. So if it gets 70%, it is okay. देखो, always use the word it is okay यार. चलो पढ़ाई कम कर दिया, it is okay. खेलता है ना, smart है ना, बॉम्बे में है ना, जी लेगा यार, मरेगा थोड़ी यार. Use the word it is okay, or so what? So what? I use this many times. कभी-कभी everything doesn't happen according to my expectation. So what? It's okay. It's okay. We are not in competition, you know. We think we are in competition. We are brought up in that way. I am competing with my neighbor, competing with everyone. But we are not in competition. Once I had gone to RA Gardens for walking. I used to go there for walking. So one day I was walking, अच्छा मूड में था, तो सामने देखा कि एक आदमी, one person was jogging. So I thought, चलो, I will overtake him. So I started walking fast. And he was also going fast. He moved to the right, I also moved to the right. Then he turned left, I also turned left. Again he turned left, I turned left. He moved to right, I moved to right. After some time, I overtook him. But what I saw was, I am not in my place where I want to go. I am not in my building. I am in a different locality. Because it was not my destination. It was his destination. So many a times we try to follow somebody else's destination and we think it is our own destination. No, sir. Our own destination is different. Our child is we are just a biological parent for him. He will have his own karma, he will have his own future. And ऐसा नहीं कि 16 years में he should know where his future is. He will make a great future at the age of 30 also, 35 also, 40 also. Just use the word, it is okay, yaar. As long as he is happy, no, you be happy.
So it reminds me of a beautiful verse from a poem by Khalil Gibran. It says,
Yeah.
your children come through you, not from you.
Yeah.
So, you know, we misunderstand. We feel that the whole destiny of the child is to be made by us and shaped by us.
Yeah.
That's so wrong.
And when I come to stress part of it, friends, stress is automatic. Stress is natural. De-stressing, we have to do it consciously, we have to do some effort. Apna mobile is always dark, but open it, we have to press a button. Our brain functions that way. Our mind is like that. Mind is always negative. In auto mode, it is negative. कुछ मत करो तो ऐसा ही बैठो, दिमाग में टेंशन चालू हो जाएगा. किसी को गाली देता रहेगा, किसी से झगड़ा करता रहेगा, पास्ट में, फ्यूचर में, चाचा, मामी, काका, मैं ऐसा बोलना चाहता, वैसा बोलना चाहता, I should have told like this, and you are always having negative talk with yourself along with someone. Normally in life, people have 3 kinds of problems. Either you have financial problem, or you have got health problem, or you have got relationship problem. You may have a lot of money, but health खराब है, relation खराब है. You may have excellent health, excellent relationship, लेकिन पैसा नहीं है. Normally, people have 3 kinds of problems in their life. तीनों में तीनों रहेगा तो you are the luckiest. ये तीनों में से normally एक तो रहता ही है. और तीनों problem नहीं तो normally these people are dead. If at all you are living, if you are alive, normally तीनों में से एक problem होता ही है. So we have to consciously try to de-stress this. So the 1 or 2 tips I'm giving you, but just 2 or tips. Number 1, as far as possible, always use positive words. This is called transformational vocabulary. Whether you talk to children, whether you talk to spouse, whether you talk to yourself, start using the word great, superb, fantastic, magnificent, awesome, jabardast, jackass, dashing, fantabulous. Instead of using the word idiot, stupid, pakao, तेरे से जमेगा नहीं, impossible, ये तेरी बस की बात नहीं है, maths is difficult, English difficult, and since many of you are teachers, अपने स्कूल के बारे में तो खराब बोलने का ही नहीं है, पेरेंट रहेगा तो बच्चे के सामने तो स्कूल के बारे में कंप्लेन करने का ही नहीं है, because he will have a negative attitude towards the school. So this is called transformational vocabulary. They always say, if at all you want to change your life, change your thoughts. But how to change your thoughts? Not easy. You have to change your words. Change your words, change your thoughts, change your life. Start with the words. Very easy. Just analyze yourself. Think of kya words you use normally in your life in the last 1 day, 24 hours, 48 hours. Whether about rain, whether the lockdown, whether the job, whether the business, whether the school, whether the climate, what language you use. If possible, make use of positive words more. And here I find thanks is the most positive word in your life. Thanks is the most positive word. The moment I get up, I say thanks to God for giving me one more day in my life. Thanks for my wife, my children, for giving them one more day in their life. Thanks for my brothers and sisters being alive for one more day in their life. Thanks for all my core friends whom I meet every day, one more day in my life. Thanks for all my staff, my business chala business, for staff. Thank all my customers that are alive today. Thanks when the moment I keep my feet on the ground. Thanks when the water is flowing on the pipeline. All these are luxury for us. Many people are not getting all these. Thanks for the house. Thanks for the breakfast. Thanks for the TV. Thanks for the sofa. I saw thanks से कम से कम 20-30 thanks से दिन शुरू करता हूँ. Because thanks is the most powerful positive word in our life. अच्छा थैंक्स मत बोलो तो तुम नेगेटिव चालू करेगा, ये बराबर नहीं है, वो बराबर नहीं है, क्या बारिश है आज, पुकड़ में गिरा, डंडी है, गर्मी है, ये है वो. ऑटो मोड में यू आर ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. To make it positive, you have to make an effort. Today evening, or I should say today night, the moment you want to go to sleep, last item, you are just about to go to sleep, samjho na. You go to the bathroom, take a brush your teeth very much, and you gargle, and put a scarf or some kerchief on your mouth, and then you go to sleep. Now tomorrow morning when you get up, you cannot have a tea or coffee or bread or something directly. Again, you have to brush. Again, you have to clean the teeth. In other words, getting worse, खराब होना ये natural, it is natural kriya. But to अच्छा करने के लिए, you have to make an effort. Uncleaning, खराब होना, spoilage is natural. To clean them, you have to make an effort. If you don't make an effort, the natural tendency is you will remain negative. That is point number one. Use, if possible, positive words. And secondly, which is very, very important, there are many happy moments in our life. There were. मैं उसका एक दिन बैठ के लिस्ट निकाला, about 200 items, 250 items I'm having in my mobile now. What are the happy moments? You think of only one happy moment of your life. For the time being, you think of only one single happy moment of your life. Only one. Only one. I'm not telling you happiest. Take any happy moments. I'll give you example. SSC pass hua, on that day I was very happy. SOGC pass hua, that day I was very happy. TY clear hua, I was very happy. CA inter pass, CA final pass, I was very happy. My marriage, I was very happy. My first job, I was very happy. My first child, I was very happy. Second child, I was happy. My first car, I was happy. Second car, I was happy. House, I was happy. Whenever you purchase a house, you are very happy. Oh, सब मैं बैठ के निकाला. Plus, I told you, at least I must have gone to 50 or to 60 vacations in my life. सब लिखा Kodaikanal and Ooty and North India, Simla, Kulu Manali, even out of India, सब बैठ के निकाला. And every day, I close my eyes. This I call it what is called happiness meditation. And take one by one event from the mobile and think of it. As if I am there. क्या किए उधर जाके, कितना बारिश में भीगा, क्या देखा, everything. Some takes 10 seconds, some takes 2 minutes. सबको imagine करता हूं. एक दिन में 5-6 देख लेता हूँ. 15 minutes without fail. I'm giving you a कवच और again negative thoughts. कवच पहन लेने का, और उसमें जो लास्ट इवेंट आएगा फुल डे उसके बारे में सोचते रहता हूँ. वी शुड नो हाउ टू कट ऑफ दो नेगेटिव थॉट्स. टीवी में ऐड आ गया, आंख बंद कर लेता हूँ and slowly I start imagining the last event, one of the happy moments of that on that day. बारे में सोचते रहता हूँ. 10 seconds it takes, but you should know how to cut off those negative thoughts. And remember, it will be a miracle in your life. You start thinking of all the positive events. People say success begets success. Similarly, happiness also begets happiness. I guarantee you, it is challenge to you. I'm just asking you a question. I'm challenging you. Whatever happy moments you must have had, as I told you, 10th, 12th, TY. Similarly, you must have also had a lot of happy moments in your life. You never think of it. You never think of it. But one unhappy moment, you will keep on thinking of it again and again and again. And that is what creates stress in your life. Last year, I had gone to Mahabaleshwar. So Mahabaleshwar में one बंगले के बाहर I was just sitting, just ऐसे casually, idly sitting. So one dog came. And dog came and sat in front of me and started crying. Ooh, you know, the way of dogs crying. So it started crying. So I told the watchman, यार इसको हटाओ यार. तो उसने डॉग को लात मार के भगाया. तो उसके बाद डॉग वापस आके उधर ही बैठा, सेम जगह पे बैठा. And वापस he started crying. Ooh, you know. So again dog called the watchman. Again उसको भगाया. वापस कुत्ता के बैठा. Again the same place. Again crying. वापस भगाया. But again the fourth time before he came, I saw there is a pointed stone on which the dog is coming and sitting. So dog came and exactly sat on the pointed stone and started crying. Now I realize that the dog is now enjoying the pain. It is enjoying the pain. It wants the pain. उसको pain मजा आने लगेला है. Pain मजा आने लगेला है. I told you positive words. I told you positive thoughts, happiness meditation. लेकिन क्या अगर 4 दिन करेंगे, 5 दिन करेंगे, अपना माइंड बोलेगा अरे छोड़ना यार. Because we have started enjoying our stress. अपन stress, hurt, angry, यहाँ से भाग दौड़ करना, हमेशा टेंशन में, ये हमारा हैबिट हो गया, सेकंड नेचर हो गया है. एंड वी हैव स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग इट. इवन आफ्टर डूइंग 4-5 days our mind will tell you अरे छोड़ना यार, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. बी योर नेचुरल सेल्फ. उसमें कितना मजा है, स्ट्रेस में भी एक मजा ही है. एंड इट विल आस्क यू, रिमेंबर व्हाटएवर योर एज मे बी 30, 40, 50, I don't know what is your age. All these negative thoughts cannot be removed in one single meditation. Do it for minimum 21 days. 21 days के बाद वो खत्म नहीं होएगा. 21 days के बाद it will become a habit for you and you will continue forever. We spend about 15-20 minutes for breathing. That is only for cleaning the outer part of the body. What about the inner core mind part of the body? And for that, we have to take our time. Whatever kind of meditation you may be doing, I don't know, but do these 15 minutes. Happiness meditation. Happiness begets happiness. Remember, friends, one king was just riding on his horse cart, and he saw one farmer family very happily laughing, enjoying life. So he asked the minister, how can they are so happy? Well, that is a natural thing. They are very happy. They have no stress, nothing. They just eat and they do some farming, and they are very happy. How it is possible here? I want to make them unhappy. Can you make them? The minister said, very easy, but you have to help me. Well, okay, no problem. Next day, when the farmer opened the door of his house, he found a bag. So he was very curious, what is inside the bag? So he took the bag inside and he saw full of gold coins. So he started counting the gold coins, thank God very much, and called the entire family, and he started counting the gold coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 96, 97, 98, 99. but there were only 99 gold coins. He recounted, but there were only 99 gold coins. Now he became a tense. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि somebody has left exactly 99 gold coins? I will try hard, work very hard, and I will earn very well, and put that one more coin in that so that it will become a round figure of 100 coins. And from that day onwards, he started going at 7 a.m. in the morning, coming at 9 p.m. in the evening to earn money to fulfill that one single coin. And he became very irritable with the children. He became very irritable with the wife, and the stress started in his life. He totally forgot the 99 coins which he's having, and he started thinking about that one gold coin which he is not having. In our life, we are having more than 99 happy moments of our life which we never remember, because on auto mode our mind is negative, manufacturing defect of the god. But we always think of that one moment which we should be forgetting. But we think of that one single moment where somebody must have hurt us, somebody must have made us sad, yeah, something happened, one negative event, and the whole day we keep on thinking of that event, forgetting all those 99 events which we should be thinking of again and again, which God has given us. Again, friends, can you please close your eyes for 2 more minutes? Please close your eyes for 2 more minutes, please. Close your eyes for 2 more minutes. Focus on your breathing. Just focus on your breathing. Just focus on your breathing. Relax. Just relax. Your breathing must have become very slow. Your breathing has become very, very slow. Just relax. Now think of the happy moment, one happy moment of your life. Be there, be there, be there. You are laughing a lot. आपकी आंखों से पानी निकल रही है. हंस के पेट पकड़ के हंस रहे हो आप. Be there. मन में बोले ना, make an affirmation. I am a happy person. I am always a happy person. I am always a happy person. Relax. Go to the family now. See the faces of the entire family. Son, daughter, spouse, father, mother, जो भी रहेंगे, सब साथ में बैठे सोफे में, सब जोर जोर से हंस रहे हैं. किसी ने कोई तो जोक मारा. Everybody laughing a lot. The entire house is having a laugh riot. Superb laughter, big laughter, uncontrolled laughter. मन में बोलना, I'm enjoying a very happy family. I'm enjoying a very happy family. I'm enjoying a very happy family. If you're working, imagine your office. If you're working, imagine your office. Look at your team. Everybody laughing, enjoying. You have achieved something. Everybody is very proud. सब जोर जोर से हंस रहे, पार्टी बन रहा है, पार्टी. You're enjoying a party. मन में बोला, I'm enjoying a happy workplace. I'm enjoying a very happy workplace. I'm enjoying a very happy workplace. You can see this visualization 3 to 4 times a day. Hardly takes 10 seconds. Slowly open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Give a smile to yourself. Give a smile to yourself. खुद का हैप्पीनेस, फैमिली का हैप्पीनेस, ऑफिस का हैप्पीनेस. समझो मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ, टीवी में ऐड आ गया, आई डोंट चेंज द चैनल, आंख बंद कर लेता हूँ, 10 to 15 seconds for myself, see my happiness, family's happiness, and workplace happiness. देखने का, assume करने का कि सच है, assume करने का. In Bombay, there are many tall buildings constructed. How are they constructed? First of all, it takes place in the mind of a person. Then it becomes an actual reality. पहला वो building का entire diagram, entire structure is formed in the mind of a person. Then it becomes an actual reality. Similarly, whatever in life you want to achieve, first of all, it should happen in your mind. Then it will create an actual reality. So whatever part of life you are. Suppose you are not happy, you are having some problem. Mentally make it, see to that it happening. It will start happening. Lastly, mind is like a land. In the land, if you sow rice, you will grow rice. If you sow wheat seeds, you will grow wheat. If you sow nothing, it will become kachra, spoiled, and generally, grass will start growing. Same is the mind. If you don't put happy thoughts consciously, purposely, deliberately, it will start growing negative thoughts. I really enjoyed being with you all. Any questions? Otherwise, I am over. Madam.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So it seems like you have taken us to a different world and introduced us to our own happiness through such simple practices, which are not even time consuming, which does not require any special place, any special resources.
Nothing.
So yes, stress is very much manageable. It's all about where we focus. So
Yeah,
if,
exactly.
like you said, stressing can also become a habit. So
Already to the question, sir.
Yeah.
Supposing, I mean, these are all happy moments which you have asked us to practice.
Yeah.
Supposing if someone else talks to us in a very negative way, how do we even ward it off?
You are in front of him or you are not in front of him?
Over the phone.
The best thing is, first of all, cut off the phone.
Okay.
Many times what happens, as I told you now, we also enjoy talking to that person, you know. We also enjoy that stress, you know. Unconsciously, we want that stress. We also want to shout. We also want to hurt him. We also want to be hurt. We want sympathy. We want pity. Then we have to go and tell people, "हाँ मालूम है उसको ऐसा मेरे को बोला," you know, because we also there is a child in each of us which seeks attention, you know, which seeks attention. So if at all anyone talks negatively, first and foremost, you have to just coolly put the phone down. Nobody in this life has got to shout at you and talk negatively to you. You have to put the phone down.
Right.
And immediately you have to focus on your breathing. Start thinking happy thoughts.
Right.
All this negativity, suppose the negativity remains normally, if it remains more than 3 minutes, no, then फिर पूरा दिन रहेगा वो.
Okay.
Negative, if at all it remains in your mind for 3 minutes, no.
Okay.
It's like a coal, you know, it's like a burning coal. If at all you keep in your hand and suddenly you throw it away, so it won't harm you. But suppose you keep it for more time, it is going to burn your hand, you know, burn your palm.
Okay.
So if at all you keep it for more than 3 minutes, no, fear it will remain for 24 hours or maybe 24 years. 24 years also. Huh? Many years which you must have taken place with many mami, kaka, mami, even father, mother. Yes, it lingers for a long period of time, and only at the deathbed we realize कोई मतलब ही नहीं था करके.
Correct. Got it. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. If anybody wants to ask any question, please unmute yourself and ask. Sir, there is a question by Ms. Sunita. What if people who are very negative around you? I think it's the same thing that you have answered.
You have to leave them.
And also, Mr. Pradyut is asking how to make distance from those. I request others to please keep themselves on mute. How to make distance from those people who pretend to be good when they are only there for their needs and we don't like them.
So I think Mr. Pradyut, I think you are given the answer yourself. You have to be distant. You have to make distance. No, how to make distance? You have to just drop them. If you think it is very difficult, it is very easy. Start avoiding them. The moment I find somebody is dominating me, no, somehow I start stopping seeing them. I lose the contact. How to me, you are thinking that he will leave us. Ultimately, control is on us. It is we who have to take some action. And you drop them. यार या उससे बात करना पड़ेगा कि तू मेरे को बहुत तकलीफ दे रहा है करके. You have to tell him directly. There is no other way. Otherwise, you will be always in stress whenever you meet him.
Yes, I also agree that expressing and communicating is much better.
Yeah, exactly.
Many times it may be simply in our minds and it may not even be the reality. So it's always better to communicate.
And I really recommend that everybody should read How to Win Friends and Influence People. Please read that book. One of the best sellers. Written in 1937, still relevant today. Huh?
Yes, sir. So true. Is there anybody else who would like to ask questions? Please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
So meanwhile, let me tell you, people are thanking you so much, and they are
Thank you, madam.
thanking for simple and practical ways. They say that your session is highly insightful,
Thank you. Thank
and
you.
they appreciate the examples. They found your explanation highly enjoyable and relevant. People are saying they would like to attend more and more sessions from
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Mr. Mukherjee says you are really among few awesome persons I've met. Then everyone says really a wonderful session. And you have addressed every problem very easily, given simple tips, and given new insights.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Yeah.
yes,
I just wish that they are able to apply. They should apply, because mind is a क्या बोलेगा, is a villain. Huh? It will always tell you, अरे don't do it. Why waste 15 minutes? थोड़ी होने वाला है. ऐसा ही रहे ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? All this you will start getting this inside the talk. I'm telling you within 3 or 4 days. So some people ask me how many days we should do it. I always say do it minimum 21 days. Then it will become a habit. Just like you take bath every day. You must do this every day. यार. It's a daily habit.
anybody who
Really
would
have it.
like to question? Because then we will have to soon wrap it up. We have crossed the
Yeah.
time limit as well. And I
Yeah,
still,
yeah.
I feel so glad to see that 108 people are still with us in the talk. And
Yeah.
the maximum number that we had during the talk was around 125. That is one of
Superb.
the highest that we have had in the Adarshila talks. So thanks to
Yeah.
you, sir, for being that magnet. And it's your positivity that is the magnet. And you have given us our own magnets now to discover and implement in our lives. People have written, like Ms.
Yeah.
Smita says, that it's difficult to apply in our life. But yes, good things never come easy. And we all will keep trying, and we'll try to implement these simple, easy practices and tips. So thank you
Only
very
one,
much.
one thing, only one point I want to say.
Yes, sir.
If anyone say I will try, then he's not going to do it. Huh? When a person says I will do it, then he will try. Try is a negative word, you know.
Yes,
I will try ka matlab, it is not in your priority. As I told you in that 4 priorities, no. Morning time, the priority 6:30 to 8:30. Normally, ये जो happiness meditation I do in the evening. Huh? I do in the evening.
Yes,
I
sir.
first
Yes,
of all do
sir.
happiness meditation, and then I go for the future meditation. Happiness meditation करने के बाद, able to think about my happiness, and then my family happiness, and my work happiness. An entire session takes about 20 minutes for me.
Yes, sir. Everybody is responding. A lot
Yeah.
of people are saying we'll do it.
Yeah.
So nobody's going to try. They are going to do it, sir.
We'll do it. Yeah. Thank you, Pradyut. Oh, Sharda madam is already doing it. Great. Excellent. Even you must have noticed I use the word great, excellent, fantastic, dashing. Many a times when I get a call from someone, I use the word darling. If it's a close friend of mine, huh? Hi darling, bol kya bolne ka hai? So all these positive words, you have to consciously again use. Otherwise, you will start using negative words. Huh? Very simple technique. This is called transformational vocabulary given by Anthony Robbins, and highly effective also. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm sorry, I just got disconnected. So thanks to everyone for being with us. It has been one of the most attractive sessions, I would say, because you have attracted so many people with these simple ideas and such genuine insights, which I believe all of us have been reading somewhere, listening, discussing, but have never tried to actually implement. And you have given such good ideas to implement, which is very easy, and you have practically made us do it. So thank you. I'm sure we all are going to do it. I will not say we will try it. We will do it. And on behalf of the entire RRIS family and all the participants who are with us today, I extend deep gratitude, sincere appreciation to IRG. And we look forward to having you for many more talks at Adarshila Talks.
Sure.
Thank you, and
Thank
best
you.
wishes to everyone.
Namaste.
Stay safe, stay
Namaste.
happy,